The moment my sister stepped out the door, I felt his whole body freeze beside me. And for a second, parang bumalik kami sa simula. Sa araw na pareho namin pinilit maging okay kahit hindi naman kami. Okay, ano ginagawa mo dito? Tanong ng ate ko, calm but sharp. The kind of tone na kayang maghiwa ng tahimik na gabi. He didn't look away. For the first time, he faced her with honesty. I came to apologize, mahina niyang sabi, for everything I wasn't able to say before. My sister crossed her arms. Ano pang kailangang sabihin tapos na tayo? He nodded. I know. And I'm not here to fix anything between us. I'm here because... Then he looked at me. I can't keep running from the truth. My heart dropped. This was it. The moment na matagal ko nang tinatakasan. My sister followed his gaze. At dun ko nakita sa mata niya ang sakit na ayaw ko sanang makita. You two... Bulong niya? You think I didn't notice? Hindi ako makasagot. Hindi ko alam kung dapat kong ikaila o aminin. But he stepped forward. Firm. Clear. Respectful. She never crossed any line, he said. She never did anything wrong, ako lang. Ako lang ang nagdamot at ako rin ang nagtakot. My sister looked at me. Is this true? I swallowed hard. And for the first time, I chose honesty too. I tried not to feel anything, sabi ko. But some feelings, they just happen. Tahimik, masakit. Pero totoo, my sister breathed in, then nodded. A small nod na parang pagbitaw ng bigat na matagal niyang hawak. You're both adults, sabi niya. But whatever happens next, hindi na ako bahagi nun. She left, tahimik, pero hindi galit. Just letting go. He turned to me, eyes soft, exhausted. I'm sorry, bulong niya, for coming into your life at the wrong time and loving you in all the ways I wasn't supposed to. Humakbang siya palayo. Slow, hesitant. Parang bawat hakbang ay may iniwan. Where are you going? Tanong ko. He smiled. Hindi masaya pero malaya. To finally fix myself, sabi niya. So that one day, if our paths meet again, I won't be the reason you get hurt. And just like that, he walked away. No promises, no endings. Just truth. Minsan, ang totoong forbidden love ay hindi yung pinaglalaban, kundi yung pinalaya. Para kapag bumalik, kompleto na kayong dalawa.